first time I'm actually cooking this. I've never done this. So like I'm checking on the recipe that I was sent by a friend of mine called Mrs. Mandazi. So I'm like checking on it and seeing how it goes before I proceed. Otherwise, nitapika madogobani. Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Shel and I post videos about everything. So guys, how are you doing? Hope this finds you well. Today's Friday, and I'm planning on cooking cake mandazis, and I'll tag you guys along with me because why not? So you guys, how are you doing? Like, how are you coping up? How is this quarantine thing taking you? What are you doing to self-distract yourself? What are you doing to keep busy? How are you self-loving yourself, guys? Also, make sure you subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because it will help support this channel. So yeah guys, it is about 12. I've not taken my breakfast, so the plan is when you wake up, you chill in bed until it is about lunchtime, so that you take your breakfast together with your lunch. That happens to be brunch, so that we avoid lunch, because economy haitaki kufosiwa maneno. So yeah guys, that's the plan for today. Let us make our cake mandazis. Do I tag you along for breakfast? Okay, I'll show you what I'm having for breakfast. Something just simple, which happens to be breakfast aka come lunch. That is how we're sorting it out. Anyway guys, niko nje, as you can not see, but niko nje. So let's have breakfast, then proceed with our cake mandazis. So here's my breakfast, guys. Basically bread and toasting mayais, like it's simply that, and a cup of this and honey. Since, like I mentioned in an earlier video, I'm trying to minimize the amount of sugar I take. So we'll have this, then let's get started. We have my flour here. It is not self-raising, so we will add baking powder. This is yeast. I only add a small amount because for some reason when I use baking powder alone, I don't realize the results I want. So we have flour, we have baking powder, we have yeast. We will also use this butter. It is unsalted, so I prefer it this way. To spice things up, I will use cinnamon powder simply because I have no cardamom powder, so we go with this. Cardamom though would have been the perfect thing, so we do with this. This is salt, sugar, vanilla essence. I will also put 3 eggs and a small amount of lemon juice, basically because of storage purposes. Of course, I'll not cook them for a single day, so this is a small amount of flour after my last cooking. Basically, this is what we're going to use in the cooking process. This is where I will mix my dough with this and milk. I don't know whether I should you guys milk. I'll be using this Miroki. It is actually almost expired. What is the date today? Yeah, very close to expiry. Today is 7th, so I have to finish it by today. And yeah, so with this we're good to go. So we'll start with our dry ingredients. So flour, salt, sugar, and all the spices. So we first mix them here.
When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, cause I never
This is what my final product looks like. I will cover it up and let it rest for 40 minutes. Then I'll see you in a while as we cook them, as we fry them, deep fry them.
With no strings tying you to me, I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. You don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received.
Guys, that's it for me today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope it has been a helpful one. Just in case you feel like there's an ingredient I missed, there's a magic ingredient I could add to my recipe next time whenever I'm cooking something close to that, be sure to leave it in the comment section and let us interact, guys. Tell me how you're using your time during this period. Are you doing something for self-growth? Are you doing something to develop yourself? In whichever way possible, I would really appreciate to hear it from you guys. Otherwise, if you have not subscribed, I would really appreciate if you did so. The subscribe button is somewhere right here. It is red in color. Make sure your notification bell is on so that you're notified every time I post a new video, every week. Every week on Monday at 8:30 in the morning. So that's it for me, guys. Remember not to stay stuck. Just remember to just pick yourself up. No matter how hard things are, the dawn is always night. That's it from you guys. I've said this so many times. Please and remember to stay safe. See you in my next one. Bye.